What's up guys, it's Diego, Take It Life again. Back here, we're going to be working on this headlight assembly. This is for Yamaha R1. I'll post the details on what years it follows. I'm not 100% sure. But we're going to go ahead and be opening this headlight up. And I want to kind of show you how quick we can open this headlight by using some of the methods that I'm going to be doing right now. So let's get started.
Take your life.
Alright, so let's heat up these tabs first here. So before we do that, I just want to say for the R1, you do have to take some screws off in order to take the whole shroud off. So this is just, I guess, what the end result should be. But I did end up breaking these shrouds off. So this is actually a junk headlight. It's no good for me, so I just ripped it off. I'm just pushing in this one. This is gonna be a little tricky, so whenever we do put it in the oven, we want to kind of start from the bottom. That'll probably be the softest spot there. So you are gonna remove everything from the back, all the headlight bulbs, everything that you can, and then we're just gonna set this at 260 degrees, as shown here. We're gonna go ahead and place it in the oven, and if possible, put on a little pan or something like that, so you can see it won't damage the bottom part. But I'm just gonna throw it in there anyways. So you want to do maybe about 5 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll continue on after it's done. All right, so it's been 5 minutes exactly. Make sure you got both of your gloves on here. And let's go ahead and pull it out. I'm not 100% certain which type of seal this is, but we're still gonna work on this. We're gonna start from the bottom. And I normally do start from the bottom. It's just the easiest route to go most of the time. And this is a butyl. So butyl is actually pretty simple. It's just very messy. So I have this kind of clipper opener here. So I stick this in here, kind of pop it out, and then that's when I stick my separator here. I just start to pry it open there. As you can see, it started opening really easy. Go all the way around here. Butyl's pretty cool because you can reuse the sealant here. It's just very messy. A lot of gooiness around. But for the most part, it's so much easier to work. So easy to work with than Permaseal is. So you do want to wear gloves because it does get really hot and it stays hot a good while. So other than that, that was pretty simple. That was probably 10 minutes total, if anything. So if y'all have any questions, please let me know. At this point, we can now we can mount halos on top of here. We can put demon eyes. We can do a lot of stuff now. And any questions, let me know. Hit me up later, guys. Subscribe.